I'm going to talk about cosmic cybernetics. Now, cybernetics is an interdisciplinary field that explores the study of various systems and their control, especially those that involve communication and any kinds of feedback mechanisms. Cybernetics encompasses the understanding of how information and feedback are processed in complex systems, including biological, mechanical, social, computational, and even cosmic systems. And cosmic cybernetics examines the control, feedback, and information processing mechanisms in large-scale cosmic systems such as galaxies, galaxy clusters, or perhaps even the universe as a whole. Now, astrophysicists agree that large-scale systems like the galaxy require feedback and information flow in order for them to cohere and to remain operational stable. But scientists are struggling to figure out just what the carrier of this information is. Now, it has been suggested, and I read it many years ago by scientists, that gravity waves, gravitational waves, although very faint, in fact, they're called the, quote, weak force, unquote. These waves may be the carrier of cosmic information. And that could be the feedback loop that allows the galaxy, etc., to cohere and remain coherent rather than fail and begin to discorporate. Cosmic cybernetics is what regulates all these large-scale structures. And it reminds me something of like a balanced gyroscope, or a gyroscope trying to keep itself balanced. And I can't help but wonder at what point you and I can be aware of cosmic dimensions like this, if ever. It's unclear. Yet, in my opinion, I feel our consciousness is in constant flux. It's moving in and out of the body as the tides run and the various cycles cycle. At times of intense solar flares like we've been having around here, at least yesterday, CMEs, coronal mass ejections, and the like, our consciousness is inundated by the solar flux. Now, how aware we are or can be varies. I believe we do go with the flow, and we ride the solar flux. And if we can't cut it, people lie down and go take a nap and just we pull in our feelers until it passes. Now, as to higher forms of consciousness than our earthly kind, we may be in touch with them or even feel their flow from time to time. Something has to explain those times when we feel something like cosmic consciousness. And it seems to be dependent on how sensitive we are. And I have to stop thinking of myself as an isolated being, like I was brought up to believe, somewhere on a tiny planet out there in lonely space. That's just wrong. We are intelligent life, the same kind of intelligent life we look for outside ourselves. And we're forever already out there in deep space. We're embedded in one of the outer arms of the Milky Way, our galaxy. And we are no more and no less an equal partner in this creation. And the question to ask and answer for me is, are we in the inside looking out into space? Or are we a consciousness on the outside looking in and through our eyes?